Hello students, welcome back to Navik Educator channel. So now last two videos we studied that algebraic problems. So now we will move on to the new problems with the help of a nature of root formula. So now here there is a question: 9a square minus 12a plus 4 equal to 0. So write it in a quadratic equation: ax square plus by plus c equal to 0. So a equal to 9, b equal to minus 12, do not write a, and c is equal to 4. So now with the help of this formula, x is equal to minus b, here already minus is there, and minus b is minus 12 plus or minus root b square minus 12 whole square minus 4 into 9 AC. 9 into C means that is 4 AC by 2. A means 9. Minus minus, it is a minus into minus, it is a plus 12 plus or minus root 12 square is a 144 minus 4 nines are 36, 36 fours are 144, 144 by 18, 9 2 nines are 19, sorry 18. So now plus 12 plus or minus 144 and 144, it is a 0 by 18. So plus 12 by 18, 2 6 are 2 9s are 3 and 9, 3 2s are 3 3s are. So answer is 2 by 3 is the right answer. So using the nature of root, we can solve the algebraic equations. So now let's solve another algebraic problem. Solve 4a by a minus 2 minus 3a a minus 1 equal to 15 by 2. So now denominators are not the same. So let's 4a into a minus 1 minus 3a into a minus 2, a minus 2 by a minus 2 a minus 1. So now 4a into a, 4a square, 4a into minus 1, it is a 4a minus 3a square, and minus 3a minus 2, it is a plus 6a. A minus 2, a minus 1. So plus 4a minus 3a, it is a square, minus 4a plus 6a, it is a plus 2a by a minus 2 a minus 1, 15 by 2, 15 by 2. So now here also 15 by 2. So now let's multiply a square plus 2a into 2. Here 15 a minus 2 a minus 1. 2 into a square, it is a 2a square plus 2a into 4, it is a 4a equal to, here 15 as it is, a into a a square, a into minus 1 minus a, minus 2 into a minus 2a, minus 2 into minus 1, it is a plus 2. So now let's write a 15 into a, 15a square, 15 into a, 15a, 15 into minus 2a, it is a 30a, 15 into plus 2, it is a 30. So 2a square plus 4a as it is. Now right hand side is shifted into the right hand side. 15a square minus 45a plus 30 minus 2a square minus 4a equal to 0. So now 15a square and minus 2a square, it is a 13a square, 45a and 4a, it is a minus 49a plus 30. So now splitting the middle term, 13a square minus 39a minus 10a plus 30. Splitting the middle term. So now among these two terms, 13 is a common, 13a is a common, a minus 3. 13a into 3 is a 39a minus 10 a minus 3, minus into minus, it is a plus 30. So now a minus 3 and 13a minus 10, so a equal to plus 3 and 13a 10, so a equal to 10 by 13. So now this is the final answer. Hello students, welcome back to Navik Educator channel. So now we will move on to the new concept which is called direction. So now almost all competitive exam, they may ask you a directions questions. Let's understand that basic information related to a direction. So now upward it is called a north and downward it is called south direction, and it's your left and it is a east and your right hand it is a west. Between north and east there will be a northeast. Between east and north, east and south, there will be a southeast. So between south and west there will be a southwest. Between west and north there will be a northwest. So now between these direction there will be a different angles. One it is a 90-degree, another one is called a 45-degree. So now if a person is moving a right direction, it will shows like that. Again if a person is moving a right hand direction, it is shows like that. If again the person is moving in a right direction, it is the direction it shows the like this. Again if the person is moving a right direction, it is a the arrow mark shows the upward direction. Suppose if the person is moving a left direction, so now arrow mark in your left side. Again the person is moving a left side from a previous point, the arrow mark indication is down. Again if the person is moving a left side, again if a person is moving a left side. So now this kind of things you need to understand that if the person is moving a right side, arrow mark, and again downward arrow mark, again arrow mark is the left side, again arrow mark is right side, like that. The directions are continuously is going to changes. Okay, so now we will move on to the uh, first question, which is called Anand walked 5 meter towards north. Here there is a Anand point. He is moving a north. He is moving a north in the sense the upward direction. It is a 5 meter. Now let's write 5 meter. Then he took a left turn. Left turn in this direction. Left turn walked for a 10 meter. So now this is called a 10 meter. And then he took a right turn, walked a 20 meter again. Right turn in the upward direction. That is called 20 meter. 20 meters. Again he took a right turn and walked in a 10 meter. Right turn. That is called 10 meter. How far he is from the starting point. So starting point here, Anand, he took a north direction 5 meter. Then what is the starting point? Here this is called a 20 meter. So now 20 meter plus 5 meter, it is a 25 meter is the right answer. So now we need to add a 20 meter plus 5 meter, it is a 25 meter. This is how you need to understand that right direction and the left direction with the help of knowledge. Let's move on to the question number 2. So now before learning that question number 2, we need to understand that another basic information related to direction. In that, here there is a square A B C D. Opposite sides are equal. AB, for example, 2 meter, and CD is also a 2 meter. AC is a 2 meter and BD is also a 2 meter. So now if in a direction it will show a rectangle. Here there is a 20 meter. Here also a 20 meter. So like that you need to justify that the direction, if it is a 2, okay. So now let's move on to the question. Varun start walking towards east, and after walking a 20 meter. So now north, south, east, west. So now this is the point, starting point. So now Varun is start walking towards the east direction. So now the Varun is the starting point here, A. Varun, it is a 20 meter. Takes a right turn and walked another 20 meters. So now here there is a Varun. Varun right turn, it is a downward 20 meter. So then he takes a left turn and walk a 20 meter again. So now Varun left turn a 20 meter. 20 meter. Again, he took a left turn after walking a 15 minute. 15 minute meter. Left turn, I mean in this direction. 15 meter. Left after walking 15 minutes. Finally, his left, he is left walk 40 meter. He is left walk 40 meter. This is 20. This is 40. 40 meter walk. Walk and how far in which the direction of a Varun from. So now Varuna, he is in a west direction from a starting point. It is a 5 meter. So now from here to here there is a 20 meter. In the 20 meter, 15 meter is less. I mean remaining there will be a 5 meter. So now Varuna in a west direction from a starting point 5 meter. Okay. Thank you. So now let's move on to the another different question. Here town A is to the west of town B. Let's write a direction north, south, east and west. Okay, this is the central point. So town A is to the west of town B. So consider this one is called town B and town B west to the west. This is called west direction. It is called A. And town C is the south of town A. South of town A. A south is a downward direction. That is called C. C. Now town M is to the east of town C. So town C is east on this direction, south, and this one is called west. So in this east direction there will be a M. There will be a M. So now town M is the east of town C. Yes, town C. So town M is towards which direction respected to the town A. So now town M is the towards the with a direction is respected to a town A is M. So M is a southeast direction of A. So now this is the final answer.